Hi everyone, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today my subject name is Managerial Economic. My topic name is Marketing Structure. What is marketing structure? Marketing structure refers to the organizational and competitive characteristics of a market. It plays a crucial role in determining how firms operate, how prices are set, and how resources are allocated. Understanding market structure is essential for business, policymaker, and economics as it influences market dynamic, consumer behavior, and overall economic performance. This document explores the various types of market structure, their characteristics, and their implication of business and consumer. Types of market structure. Market structure can be categorized into four primary types: perfect competition, monopoly competition, oligopoly, and monopoly. Each type has features that influence market behavior. Perfect competition characteristics: many buyer and seller, homogeneous product, free entry and exit from the market. Perfect information. In a perfect competitive market, no single buyer or seller can influence by the market price. Product are identifiable and consumer have complete information about price and product. The structure lead to optimal research, allocation, and efficiency as firm produce at a lower cost. Implication: price are determined by supply and demand, form a normal profit in the long run. Innovation and minimal due to the lack of market power. Monopolistic competition characteristics: many form differential product, some control over pricing, relatively easy entry and exit. In monopolistic competition, firms sell products that are similar but not identical. Implication: firm can earn short-term economic profit in the long run. Profit trends to normalize as new firms enter the market. Innovation and product development are encouraged. Oligopoly: few large firms dominate the market. Product may be homogeneous or differentiated. Significantly barrier to entry. Interdependence among firms. Oligopolies market are characteristics by the small number of firms that hold a large market share. Implication: firm may engage in strategic behavior to maintain market power. Price and be higher than in competitive market due to reduced competition. Innovation can be both encouraged and depending on the competitive dynamic. Monopoly characteristics: single seller, unique product with no close substitute, high barrier to entry. Price maker: in a monopoly, a single firm control the entry market for a product or service. Implication: monopolistic can lead to higher price and reduced output. Compare and competitive market, consumer choice is limited. Innovation may be lack of competition. Factors influencing marketing structure. Several factors can influence the market structure and industry, including number of firms. The number of firms in a market significantly affects competition. More firms typically lead to more competition, while fewer firms can lead to monopolistic or oligopolistic competition. Product differentiate: the degree to which product or differentiate affect consumer choice and pricing power. Barrier entry: higher barrier to entry can product exiting firm from new competitor lead to monopolistic or oligopolistic structure. Market demand: consumer demand influence how firms operate within a market. High demand can attract new entrants, while low demand can lead to consolidation among existing firms. The importance of four structures of very important. The oligopolistic is mainly important for the characteristics implication firm can earn short-term economic profit. Few large firms and dominate the market. Produced may be homogeneous or differentiate significantly barrier to entry. Oligopolistic market are characteristics by a small number of the firms that hold a large market share. These firms are interdependent, meaning the action of one firm can significantly impact other price war and common in the structure. Factor influencing market structure. Several market structure then very important for these four types. Number of firm, product differentiate, barrier to entry, market demand. Barrier entry in the very difficult for the market. High barrier entry can product exiting firm from new competitor leading to monopolistic and oligopolistic structure. Barrier can including high capital requirement, regulatory hurdle and strong brand loyalty. Second then the phase for the market structure is market demand. Consumer demand influencing firm operating within the market existing firm. Thank you.